Hey guys, number one thing today, have fun.
No matter what's happening outside of these lines, man, we gotta have some fun. Remember who we are, remember why we play, and remember who we play for. I like our team. I like who we are. I like the stuff we're made of. I like what we're about. One play at a time. Play for the man next to you. Let's go get a win. Win on 3, 1, 2, 3, win.
He throws it down the field. Pass top on a dead run, and that is Juju loose. 45-40, 35-30, 25-20. Juju, a 97-yard touchdown reception.
Hey, give the boy oxygen.
Daniel open into the end zone. Touchdown.
Flag came in late.
Hold in. He ran into me. Pick it up.
The flag gets picked up, and the touchdown will count.
They gotta call holding sometimes. Keep fighting.
Rivers stays perfect. Phillip Rivers, 25 consecutive completions, which ties the NFL record. Now goes underneath, and there it is, his first incompletion.
The all-time record is 26 completions in a row. He hit 25 and missed one.
I haven't seen it, that's what I said.
Takes it at his own 38. Dropping it. Big dive for it. Who has it?
I could not find that ball to save my life when it was there. I'm like,
When you hit that, we didn't even find it.
bro, it hit somebody in the chest. It hit me in the head.
Carson goes full flip and stays on his feet.
Look at that. It don't get no better.
That's top 10 play of the week. Oh, that's a year right there.
Tight end screen, and Njoku hops up at the 2, and they push him into the end zone. Touchdown! With a little help from his friends.
That was gangster right there.
I thought you were about to be suplex. He caught you. You're lucky you had a teammate.
There's a fake, and there's a throw to the end zone, and that is a Pittsburgh Steelers touchdown.
I didn't know it was coming. I thought it was a bad snap.
Keep your head up. Let's go.
We'll talk about it at halftime, don't worry about it now.
We got to protect longer, we'll protect longer. If we got to block it better, we'll block it better. Whatever it takes to win. They're screaming mercy. They don't want none. We got to run and cover like our life depends on it.
He gets away from a sack. He runs to his right. He keeps his feet to the 10, to the 5. That is a Thanksgiving play to remember.
Come on, we just getting started, big dog. We just getting started.
Looks down the center, has a man. Caught! Tommy Lee Lewis! Touchdown, Saints!
Quick pass to the middle. Intercepted in the end zone.
Here's the throw. He's picked up, and there he goes. Eddie Jackson to the house. Touchdown! And they sweep the division.
8-3, baby. Don't get much better than that.
Go celebrate!
Here's the celebration through the limbo, huh?
They thought we were done! Let's go!
Way to stand up, man. Way to stand up big time. Man, you guys are good, man.
All day, big guy. All day.